Hello, everyone. My name is Fernando Luna, and I am a citizen here in the Contra Costa County. Today, I would like to talk to you about fire prevention, one of the most important ways we can keep our community safe. We will break it down in three different key areas: education, enforcement, and engineering. Firstly, fire prevention starts with education, making sure the public, yourselves, property owners, and businesses understand fire risks and how to stay safe. Uh, then we have the enforcement part of it, which is where we ensure that the fire codes and safety regulations are being followed. Finally, there's the engineering, which focuses on designing buildings with fire safety in mind. That means using the right materials and the protection systems. Now, delving a little deeper into the fire code enforcement, here in Contra Costa County, we enforce fire codes through regular inspections, we issue permits, and we make sure that buildings meet the safety standards. If we find any violations, we work with the property owners to correct them quickly and to keep everyone safe. Now, for newer buildings, as far as the fire code, we follow the California Fire Code, which is based on the International Fire Code. This is to ensure fire-resistant construction, safe exits, and proper fire suppression systems are in place. For older buildings, we conduct regular inspections and require upgrades when necessary in order to maintain safety standards. In order to ensure that these standards are met, we rely on organizations like the Underwriter Laboratories, ASTM International, and the National Fire Protection Association to test and certify fire-resistant materials, ensuring that they meet safety standards before they're used in buildings. In order to determine how fire-resistant a material is, we use standardized tests including ASTM E119. This tests the fire resistance of walls, floors, and ceilings. We also use NFPA 252. This evaluates the fire door endurance. We also use NFPA 257, which checks the fire-resistant glazing materials, and UL 263. This measures fire resistance of construction components. These tests help us to ensure that buildings meet fire safety standards. When we conduct inspections, we verify the fire-rated materials and systems are installed properly and maintained over time. While identifying unsafe structures, some common signs of unsafe buildings that we see in our area include outdated or faulty electrical systems, blocked or insufficient exits, flammable materials stored improperly, lacking of functioning fire suppression systems. By spotting these issues, we can enforce the necessary corrections to protect lives and property. Here in Contra Costa County, the highest fire risk building type comes from Type 5 wood-framed construction buildings. These structures, especially older ones without modern fire-resistant materials, can burn quickly and allow fire to spread rapidly. One of the best ways to prevent fire hazards is through plans review during construction, making sure that buildings have the right fire-resistant materials, sprinkler systems, escape routes from the start is key. Structural controls like fire barriers and rated assemblies also play a major role in containing fires. Fire prevention isn't just up to firefighters, it's a team effort between city officials, businesses, and the community. By focusing on education, enforcement, and engineering, we can all help reduce fire risks and keep Contra Costa County safe. Thank you for your time. Thank you for supporting the local fire safety team.